Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 28th of January, 2022. This is HueFin, also known as HueFin News. We're going to talk about Shiba Inu today and how this bearish pattern is still on the price chart and how we should still be expecting the price to continue to go lower. I'm going to speak on that today, but before I do, you guys appreciate my price predictions, my videos, giving y'all a heads up as to where we're looking for the price to go. Then make sure you keep it locked in here. Hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe here to the channel. And on top of that, make sure in order for you to get the latest price prediction that I have for these particular type of cryptocurrencies, you have to come to my playlist. Every video that I've done for any cryptocurrency is listed right here. You go to that particular cryptocurrency and you scroll all the way down and go to the latest video to see my current price prediction for these cryptocurrencies. All right, I want to make sure that everyone who is subscribed to this channel knows the location to which we need to get the most updated, most recent information regarding where price is going to go. So you have to do that by coming to my playlist. All right, now let's break this down real quick. We're going to talk about Shiba Inu. You guys can see from my last video, which was on the 12th of January, I was playing a little bit of strength into the market in Shiba Inu. Yeah, I wasn't massively bullish. I know there's plethora of YouTube channels out here that constantly spews out this cryptocurrency going massively higher, going up to 1 penny, and how everyone who has bought into the cryptocurrency is going to be massively rich. But that's not the case. I mean, this downtrend into the market in Shiba Inu started all the way back since November of last year, and price continues to do the same thing today, go down. So we need to be real. You need to have someone in your court that's going to be real with you, that's going to show you what is the actual sentiment of the market in Shiba Inu. Well, I'm that guy. I'm going to give you the predictions to where I'm looking for it to go up, and I will also tell you the prices when I think it's going to go down. And now today look like it's going to be the video to which I'm going to tell you that price in Shiba Inu is going to continue to go down, but how low? Let's talk about that real quick. All right, so when I did a video back here on January the 12th, yeah, it didn't go that high, and I wasn't that bullish like I told you earlier. I wasn't looking for the price in Shiba Inu to go massively higher. We had about 2 days to which the price in Shiba Inu came up to like 3,200 thousandths of a penny right here, and that was about it. That's the amount of gas or energy that was in the market at that time to allow price to go up, and since then we just fell off, and it goes that way. So if you didn't get that profitability into the market when Shiba Inu was trading around 3,200 of a thousandth of a penny, then you missed out. You're down right now. See, that was still around 11.5%. Those following those 2 days of which I did that price prediction. Not bad. Because if you didn't do it now, you're ready to get out the market now with Shiba Inu, you're down almost 29%. So let's go ahead and talk about the bearish pattern that is still being seen on this chart for Shiba Inu. Now, first things first, there's a couple of things that I want to show you regarding this chart. Now, I'm not the one to give you any complexities or any confusion on the price chart. Okay, these lines that I have on my chart, they're applicable because this is where price currently is trading, except for this one. So since price and Shiba Inu is not trading up there around 3,500 of a thousandth of a penny, then I don't need to keep the line there. So I'll get rid of it. Now, main focus for us in Shiba Inu was for price to stay above this horizontal line, which you guys can see price currently is not trading above that line. This tells you that the market is still continue to be weak. Now, we've seen a couple of days to where the market in Shiba Inu wanted to break above this line. We cannot neglect that. The buyers tried to break price in Shiba Inu back up above 2,300 thousandths of a penny, but it failed every time that it tried. So that still tells us that the continuation of weakness is still on this chart, and we should not be bullish right now. The answers are here. And that is what the market currently is revealing to us. So are we still bearish into the market in Shiba Inu? Yes, best believe it. We're still looking for the price to go down in Shiba Inu. We have to see the buyers take control of this environment. They've been trying, but they haven't been winning. They haven't been successful at that. So until such time, we have to maintain the weakness. So until we see Shiba Inu price break above this horizontal line right here, 2,300 of a thousandth of a penny, then we're going to maintain weak. We're going to maintain that premise that price in Shiba Inu is going to continue to go down. Now, take a look at this descending line though. Okay, if I were to draw this descending line lower into the market in Shiba Inu, we're still trending now. The market is still trading right here alongside this descending line as well. Now, are we trading below that descending line? No, we're not. We're trading above it. But it doesn't mean that price is not going to continue to follow this line though. It can still trend lower, right? We can still see that too. So the downtrend is still in play, but my main concern is for us to see this price in Shiba Inu break above this horizontal line, right? We got to see that. Until such time we understand that this price is weak in Shiba Inu, and we need to focus in on, okay, if we're still looking for price to go down, how low do you think the buyers are going to go? How low do you think price is going to go before the buyers step in? So let's zoom in over here on this particular chart here, and you guys can tell that, you see that 18 hundredths of a thousand right there. Yeah, we can see the market grab support right there. So I'm looking around 1800 thousandths of a penny, even all the way down here towards 15 hundredths of a thousand of a penny. Yeah, this is where we need to be prepared to see the buyers approach and try to uphold and maintain Shiba Inu's price from falling any further. It's right around there. That's the next area. That's the next stop for us to see the market in Shiba Inu come towards 1800 thousandths or even 1500 thousandths. So let's take a look at this on the 3-day time frame real quick. Okay. And like I told you earlier, this market is still confirming that the weakness is present. Okay, basically off of what happened on that last 3-day price bar. Let's look at this on the 2-day. You guys can still see the weakness over here on the last completed 2-day price bars, that the market has not had enough energy, enough momentum to go up. All right, so we're going to continue to be a little bit bearish into the market in Shiba Inu, and we're going to maintain that until price breaks above this horizontal line, which is around 2400 thousandths of a penny. And I told you earlier, I got 2 price targets. The first one's around 1800 thousandths. So that is around what? 11, almost 12% movement to the downside from where the price currently is into the market in Shiba Inu. Okay. And my second area is around 1500 thousandths. Okay. Which is all the way down here. So you see that's around 26.25% movement to the downside in Shiba Inu. Now, 1500 thousandths, that might take a while. Okay, I'm not saying that it's going to be there in like the next 3 or 4 days. You can see this on a weekly time frame that the market in Shiba Inu is definitely still in a downtrend. You can see it here on the 3-week time frame as well, that the weakness into the market is still present. So until we see some buyers into the market on the price chart, we had to maintain what is the current consensus, and that is weakness right now. Okay, so let me go ahead and drop this back over to the daily time frame. And as always, I'd like to give y'all your opportunity to drop a price prediction, to drop a price target in the comment section, right? I'm publicly showing you where I'm thinking the price is going to go, and I want you all to do the same. Be public about where do you think Shiba Inu is going to go. Let's do as we enter the month of March. Okay, let's do mid-February. Where do you expect the price in Shiba Inu to be around that time? Okay, my 2 price targets is 1800 thousandths of a penny, and my second one is 1500 thousandths of a penny. Now it's your turn. Hit me up. Let me know. Welcome to the team. Welcome to the community, because this is what we do. We make sure we beat everyone else to these spots so that we can win. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, I'll see you again on the next one. Trade different.